Now, the reason they're probably listing it this high is because they're looking at all these developers and the builders and all of that stuff, and they're saying like, look, these guys are selling, the condos from the builders at 1,300, 1,400 a foot. Why can we not calculate it this way, and we're going to sell it and we're going to make the profit? So, but at this particular time in 2023, the interest rates were skyrocketing and things were kind of shaking. Right now in 2025 and 2026, we will see the actual after effect, if I may say. Like, you know what I mean? Like the hangover is starting, right? So we'll get into that in a second. But that was unsuccessful. They tried leasing it again. They leased it for 23.5. Kept moods, try selling it again, reducing the price and all of that stuff. And then they got to January and they listed this particular property for $249,000. So why they did that, I'm assuming that they wanted to get as many eyeballs as they possibly could in order for this property to be exposed, using that particular, I would say, tactic of lowering it as much as possible. And some of these investors or people that are in this particular bracket of $249,000 will pull that trigger and they will purchase this condo. However, they did terminate it after exactly 10 days. And then they did relist it for $478,000 in February. Then they changed the price to $467,000. So the too many changes, too many variables. I don't know what they're trying to do here, but whatever they were trying to do, unsuccessful. So let's get into some photos right here. As we can see, okay, the building fair from the outside. We can argue you like it or you don't like it, but ordinary building, not a big deal. Nelson Street, lobby. It is also, it's hard to distinguish between the actual condo and the lobby, but here is the condo. So you can put a couch or a sofa, a table in the corner. It's shot with the wide lens, so even the photos look a little bit bigger, because you would be surprised. You walk in some of these units and you're like, that's it, right? So that's it, right? Um, that's pretty much it. I mean, like, 10 feet across, 8 feet across. That's it, right? So let me see the other angle.